I'm going to propose to the love of my life by putting a ring in her dessert. Hey baby, I got your favorite dessert for you. Wow, you know I love butter tarts. They're my favorite. Ah! Did you swallow everything? Yeah, I did. You didn't notice anything in the dessert? No, but there's a little piece of pecan stuck in my teeth. Did you notice a ring in there? A ring? Why would I feel a ring in there? Because I put your engagement ring in there. I was going to propose. Why would you put a ring in something I'm eating? Well, I didn't know you would inhale it. Babe, don't worry. The ring will come out. How?